So is VMware's aspiration to be that other management company, maybe the big six, would we call it that? Or where do you draw the line between innovation and cooperation?
We actually we don't have an aspiration to be a management per company per se. We need to respond to what we will think will be the big customer needs that are going to unfold. And we're a mid-sized company. I'm very aware of the fact that if we get into trench warfare with our traditional competitors, we lose. So we have to be trying to go where we think the needs are going to be. And we think the dominant themes going forward are going to be, first of all, how do we take operational expense out of infrastructure underneath existing applications? And to really make a meaningful movement there, and to move the needle meaningfully there, you really have to go after automation. Just layering on more and more management isn't going to yield that. And that's not, if you look at what's happening in these big clouds, Google, Amazon, etc., they don't use management, they use automation. So we have to, first of all, take costs out of infrastructure to respond to the second big trend, which is going to be how do businesses yield new business value by tackling their applications, both by modifying, transforming, writing new applications going forward. And then thirdly, how do you deliver the results of those applications to end users who are now carrying an increasingly diverse array of devices in their hands, have different expectations about the flexibility of accessing information and applications, etc. Those are three big themes that play out. So we see ourselves as, having grown up in some ways as the remedial technology for the client-server generation. We were there to help deal with this huge server sprawl that came out of the client-server world, and I've had people ask me, because I was part of creating that at Microsoft, was this your long-term strategy to kind of create the problem and then duck around the back and provide the solution? But only McKinsey is smart enough to do that.